Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a site called IDPLR and we're going to be showing you exactly how you can actually make money with private label rights. So stay tuned right to the very end. If you don't know what private label rights are, we're going to find out in just a short second when we do an idplr.com full review and run you through both the free and the paid version, so you know exactly what you're going to be able to do and how you're going to be able to make money with IDPLR. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come on the idplr.com website, and it says here they've got over 12,500 PLR products, and they do loads of different things here, guys, and we're going to run through exactly what they do, how you can get hold of the products, how you can actually use these products to make money. So first of all, what is PLR? Now, PLR stands for Private Label Rights Products, and these are products that you can obviously download, and you could then give them away or sell them or build a list with them, all sorts of things, which would mean that you could obviously start building a business just with PLR products. Now, as you can see here, IDPLR has been around since 2008, has 100,000 plus members, and it's updated almost daily. You can see further down here it has over nearly 6,500 ebooks, 1,700 videos, 604 graphics, 1,200 templates, 2,000 plus articles, and 260 audios. Okay, now it also says, if you scroll further down, it says here you can download 200 free products. Okay, and that's just by signing up as a free member. Okay, and we're going to show you obviously inside these products a little bit more exactly what is in these products, so you can obviously and we're going to show you how you can actually go and use these products to earn money. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the back of IDPLR and show you exactly what it's all about. Okay, so once you are inside IDPLR, it says here, obviously, welcome to your dashboard. Now, you've got things across here. You've got product terms, getting started, training, etc., bonuses, affiliates. So these are all things that you can obviously look at. Especially the training shows you a little bit exactly what to do and how to do things. But also you've got at the top here, and we're going to be looking into this far more, is your products. So it says here you've obviously got ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, music even. Now it's also giving you different rights. Okay, now you've got what they call resale rights, which just means that you have the rights just to resell these. Okay, you also have the master resale rights, which basically means that you can obviously give away the resale rights as well. Okay, you can also have got private label rights, which basically means that you can even adapt the product yourself. You can put new images in it, you can change things, and you could then still sell it as your own. You've also got giveaway rights, which basically means that you've only got rights just to give away the actual product. And you've also got personal rights, and that means that you can only use the product for yourself. So loads of different ways you can obviously use these private label rights products. So let's go and have a look at the free products for a start. So you've got free ebooks, free software, videos, audios, etc. So these are the free stuff that you're going to get once you sign up as a free member. So let's click on free ebooks. And as you can see here, these are for resale rights, and PLR licenses. Okay, there's loads of different ones that you can actually get. Mindset, about videos, about traffic, marketing, creating 7 customer relationship marketing, internet marketing, insomniac, each newsletter swipes, attraction, 30 days to build a bigger email list, all that sort of thing. As you can see, there's a diet one there, ClickBank diet plans. So as you can see, loads of different things. A pregnancy one there as well, heal yourself. So across loads of different niches here, Instagram and various other things. So have a look at these. They are easily obviously obtainable, and you can just download them straight to your actual desktop. Okay, what we've also got here in resources, we've got the latest 100 products. Okay, so these are the products that are new into IDPLR. So if we click on that, All of these are going to be bang up to date sort of thing. So this is Side Hustle Success, Master YouTube Influences, Google Meet Mastery. So you've now got Google Meet, which is obviously very similar to Zoom and all that sort of thing. You've got Vitamin D, 6 Secrets, CBD Power, blockchain, so it's obviously to do with crypto. You've got best meat substitutes for any sort of vegans, that sort of thing. And as you can see, we've even got courses as well, and you've got ebooks. So to download these, all you do, let's just click on one of these here. For argument's sake, let's look at the Master YouTube Influence. We click on that. This then gives you more about the product, okay? You can obviously see the squeeze page about the product, because they do give you certain squeeze pages and everything that you can actually use, but we'll go into that very shortly. This has got private label rights, okay, so it can be sold, it can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products, can be modified and changed across the thing, can be added to paid membership websites, offered as a bonus, used to build a list, etc. Loads of different things here. And there's obviously things on the bottom of it can't be done, okay, it says you can't convey or sell the private label rights. Yeah, it can be added, it cannot be added to free website memberships, and you can't be given away. So in other words, people do have to actually sign up to get this product. So all you've then got to do, if you wanted to preview the product, you can preview it here, but all you've got to do is hit download here, and that's as easy as it is. So that's going to just quickly download, as you can see in the bottom hand corner here, 16 meg, that downloads straight to my actual computer. So that'll just take a second to go and do that. Okay, so that's downloaded. So we double click it, we can open it up. And as you can see, we've got loads of different things here. You've got the ebook itself, you've got the covers, you've got a squeeze page. So here is your ebook itself. It's all a PDF. So all you've got to do is load that in. And as you can see, this is the actual PDF. All 21 pages full of it, okay? So this is all great. So if you've got a YouTube list or something like that, you could add this in to get people onto your list. And we're going to go exactly into how you can now use this very, very easily, okay? So once it's downloaded, you've got the master copy of this PDF here, okay? So what you now need to do, if we go across to a site called Aweber, and this is, again, you can join Aweber for free, though I'd recommend, if you're going to do a lot of this, obviously you would need to get the paid version, but you could start for free. You can build one list, so if you choose a product that you want, you can go and build one list for free, and then you can go and make a actual a landing page that you can actually use to get people into actual Aweber. And I'll put a video link above here of exactly how you can do that in Aweber. So if you actually look at and you want to go ahead and try and do this, then this is how you can obviously just follow this video, and it will show you exactly how to do it in Aweber. And you can go through that, how to set up everything, and then how to actually build everything. And you can add this as a product that you are actually selling, and then you can obviously use it to go and sell other products as well on your email list. You can actually email people other products that they could actually sell as well, and you could sell these for something like $7, $17, $27, $47, depending what sort of thing it is you're selling. If we scroll down, so if you were giving away this free ebook, if we scroll down further, so you could also give away here and a book about affiliate marketing. If they're using YouTube, they might be wanting to use affiliate marketing with YouTube, so that's something you could add to it as well. So you've also got this product here, Video Marketing Unleashed. So again, that could be an upsell. You could upsell that as well. And again, that's got private label rights. You could change all this packaging so it's your own branding as well. Easily done. Now, if there weren't any products there, you could obviously just go and search for products as well. So we've got the search button here. If we click in YouTube, for argument's sake, as you can see here, this is the one that's actually come up first thing, and then we've got loads of other ones. You've got a social media thing here, you've got Facebook, you've got video marketing domination, there's other things here. You've also got, this is a video course, okay, and another video course here, modern vlogging video upgrade, okay. So these are video courses, so you could add these in remember, and you could charge probably even $47, even $97, depending on the quality of the videos. Or you could obviously just take it out as snippets of it. You could take snippets of the videos, and then you could obviously drip feed that into your actual email list as well. We've got here, this is a YouTube Authority video upgrade. So again, you've got YouTube Authority as a actual ebook, and then you've got the video course. So this is an ideal one, this one, guys. You could use them, give away the ebook and then upsell them to the video course, which you could then sell them probably for $17 or something like that, very, very easily and very quickly. Now, if you wanted to actually create your own website and use other things here, you've got loads of different stuff in here that I give away as bonuses, okay? Now, you get 10 gigabytes of web hosting, okay? So you can actually host your own website, and this will be a WordPress website. They even give you this free e-cover creator, so you can create your own covers and make them your own. And this is 200,000 PLR articles that you can actually download and use on your content. And you also get high converting squeeze pages and landing pages in minutes using this WP Sales Copy, which is a plugin. Plus you obviously get all the training and that as well. Now, if you wanted to join IDPLR, just come across to the register button here. And it says here, obviously you've got free members and gold members. Gold members get the entire catalogue of 12,500 products, access to all the training, tutorials, courses, over 200,000 PLR articles. You also get web hosting for 10 gigabytes of space, the e-cover software, landing pages and squeeze page software, access to live previews, new products added almost every day, members product requests, product creation, first class support, no download limit, 30 days money back guarantee. You can actually buy the gold membership now. It was a lifetime, I think I did spend £197 to get the lifetime access. And it's certainly worth easily doing that, because you can get a year access for $69, or you can get a lifetime access for $79. And I'm always coming back into here and actually downloading some products. And even if you're only using it just to do a bit of research and actually get some ideas, it's really useful and certainly worth a few bucks just to do that. But again, you have got the free version, like I say, and free members here. You get access to 200 products, you get access basic training, and you get new products added on a monthly basis. Okay, and you can just register for free by clicking this button here, and you just fill in your email address and confirm your email and confirm that you're not a robot, and then fill in a few more details and you are good to go. So definitely take a look at IDPLR as a way to actually start your online business just by selling ebooks and video courses, that sort of thing. And like I say, there are loads of different ways you can actually do this. So if you incorporate this while building an email list at the same time, you don't need a website. You can build landing pages with inside Aweber as well. So if you get these two products together, you have got a ready-made business there that you could go and actually sell these products. And again, if you buy you've got the private label rights and you've got obviously the gold membership, you could then have all the tools there that you could then go and actually redesign everything and make it as yours and start building your own brand online. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.